So, how would you like to test this thing out, man? I've done this so many times.
I haven't been on a bike in Seattle in like 2 years, but I'm down to try it.
Yeah, man. I think the viewers would love to see who the cameraman is. Listen to the camera. The people at DYU Cycle were nice enough to send me this, so I figured I'd be nice enough to make a review for it. It's their DF3 model. It folds in half, and let's get to it. So the cool thing about these electric bikes is they're more compact than your average one. So for me, portability is very important. I don't drive an SUV. I drive a four-door mini sedan, and I like to take this pretty much anywhere I'm going. I often take these to like the store, to the grocery store on short trips, and lock it up to your average bike rack, just like any other electric bike. Kickstand. Let's look for some instructions, huh? Ah, here we go. Let's see if the instructions are inside of here. Handy dandy box cutter. Ah, there we go. Safely tucked away. DYU Smart electric bike, D3F. I said that wrong earlier. It's the D3F, not the DF3. I like that they put it right on the instruction manual. No confusion. So let's see, how do we get started on this thing? What do they recommend? Installation. After unpacking, loosen the handlebar and quickly release. Adjust the horizontal handle to the right direction. Lock horizontal handle and gently hold the brake lever several times. Adjust the brake lines to adjust to the best conditions. Okay, so let's pull the handlebars up. There we go. Look at this. There's like a little swivel lock here to keep it in place. Twist that out the way. Close. That's actually pretty nice. Some of these are ooh, I like that. Okay, it's a little bit harder to pull out, but who cares? It's in place now. And we know it's going to be securely in place because it's harder to come out than it is to lock it in. I don't know how they did that, but they did it. You've seen it on camera live. Don't argue with me. All right, what's next? Oh yeah, do the brake lines. Let's see what we got going on with the brake lines. Okay, down here. So it says pull it a couple times to adjust. Already, you could tell, fresh out the box, they works pretty well. All right, let's see what's next. Press the on-off button on the handlebars. And turn it on. This is the cool part right here. It says turn it on. Where's the on-off button? Let's go back a page. Power. Press 5. Yeah, that's the thing that I was trying to unpack. Let's be gentle with it. Ah, look at that. It's clearly a power button right there. My last one said boot button. Now, do I press this? Or do I press this? Oh, there's a cover over it. I can't tell if it's on or... Oh, yeah, it's on. Hey, look. It works. There we go. So yeah, the instructions tell me to charge it, yada yada, but I'm impatient and it didn't even tell me to put the seat on. So I'm gonna put the seat on and give it a quick test. So let's see what comes inside of this box. Here are those pesky little pedals that we were looking for earlier. Yeah, that kind of rhymes, I know. I'm also a rapper part-time on the weekends. charger, exactly what I need. Some stuff like tools. What is this? What is this? This is a left. Oh, headlights? Okay, I'm gonna read the book and try to figure out what this is before I start assuming. Just put this on my fingers. Where? I don't know. Fender. Goes in the back. I don't see others already in the front. Well, yeah, so let's charge this thing up before we go take it for a spin. And while we're charging it up, let's go ahead and finish assembling this. Take this off and put those pedals on there, right? Yo, what the hell is this? Is this like European? Should these come off? What is this? Okay, well at least it has this thing, so most people probably have one of these lying around. Let's see if we can find one of these and plug it in and see if this doesn't explode in our hands or burn this bitch down. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, let me clean it up a little bit. What the heck? Okay, so it comes with both pieces, luckily. And wait. Is this the one that you gave me? Or is this the one that... Yo, dude. Yeah, no, it does come with them. Nice. All right, so I still don't know what plug this is, but luckily it comes with the American version. I don't know when I dropped this or where, but who cares? Back to cleaning up some of this. Hey, do you mind if I move some of this? It looks like you got a whole bunch of paintings over here, I noticed. Man, you should probably give the people a little bit of sample of some of your work. This stuff is pretty sick, man. I like that one a lot too. How much would you sell any of these, or do you have any like stuff that you could showcase really quick while I'm plugging this up?
Showcasing right now.
Pretty sick, man.
Thanks, bro.
I don't have too many friends that make paintings, so.
That's pretty dope. Got some more over here, of course. The puppy.
All right, really
Terrible
quick. Side cut. Let's try to find this together. Where do I plug this in without looking at the book? How user friendly is this? I was gonna look for my blade to tear this off. But let's do it very barbaric style. Where do we plug? Let's play the game. Can you help me find the power cord? Viewers at home, is it here? Is it up there? Where do we plug this? I want to say somewhere down here, huh? Yes, just like my other one. Look at that, huh? Nice little water sealed, tight plug. Does this fit? Is this it? Yes, it is. Yes, Houston, we are charging. These things are confusing as heck to figure out. Is it just me? Okay, we're gonna need a tool for this one. Look, the little tool that they gave us, it fits the pedals. What a surprise, right? I don't call it a surprise. Actually, I do call it a surprise. It's more of a treat, though. I'm just like thankful they did that, to be honest. Let's see if how this works out. Yeah, that's exactly what we needed for that. Riding around my city Lamborghini with a top down. Sun beaming on me got me feeling kinda hot now. Like I'm hot now. Kinda nice, right? Where's that fender at? Screw. One more thing before we take it outside. Let's fix this handlebar like I did the other one and install that. I don't know what that is, that tail light. So one thing that is really important, safety first, right? This thing isn't stuck like this. It's not actually supposed to do that. I think my other one came like this too, where the handlebars were down. They do it for shipping and packing purposes. But it does go up. You can adjust them as high as you need me. So don't freak out when you notice that. All right, I'm gonna do this thing, whatever this thing is. And this goes back here. So yeah, let me give you guys a demonstration of what this thing does back here. So I'm gonna turn it around for you guys. Look at that, huh? Hey, so how would you like to test this thing out, man? I've done this so many times.
I haven't been on a bike in Seattle in like 2 years, but I'm down to try it.
Yeah, man. I think the viewers would love to see who the cameraman is. Let's see. Let's turn the brakes on for him, or the brake lights.
What do I do?
I don't know, man. You get on. You've never ridden a bike, huh? Is it on?
I haven't ridden a bike in Seattle, but
okay. So is it on? Hit the power button, I think. So you want to hit the power button, and it's on. And then I don't know what this thing does. I never pressed it.
All right, bro. I'm just gonna send it, I think.
Well, be safe.
Here we go. So first thing I noticed is like it's not a super like hard. I'm not even.
Go down and come back. Like maybe go down the thing and then come back, or up one of the ramps. Go up one of the ramps and then come back.
When you're throttle, like when you're full throttle, and then you need an extra boost, just hit the
pedals
a couple times.
Okay, well shoot, that's good to know, man.
Dope. Yeah, it made it way faster and way scarier, but it was cool because like the best thing about it is when I hit that spot where I was cruising, I was able to just hold it, and I was just cruising on a bike.
He looks like he's happy. Let's see,
I'm
man.
gonna get one. Oh, we can do a wheelie. Don't do it.
Don't do it. I think it has like pedal assist or something like that. I feel like it kicks in while I'm pedaling without me even like giving it some throttle, you know what I'm saying? I kind of like that.
Yeah, that's dope.
It makes it seem like this thing's like kind of easy to ride. I don't know.
Yeah, bro, I'm just out here with my with this thing.
Hey, does the headlights work? Ooh, press the button. Press that button. Maybe that's what that does. Yeah. No? Hold it down, maybe?
I think this is a gear shifter.
I don't know. Hold it down. See what happens. No? Nothing?
I wonder if the headlight's like auto.
Might be.
This is dope. Oh, it's just a spring.
I don't know.
Oh, what does this do?
Oh, that's the bell. That's the bell right there.
How does it work?
I don't know. Like this.
Oh. That's good as shit.
Yeah, and this headlight might not be connected all the way. I'll have to double check that. I should probably tighten that up before you do anything else. All right, man, let's get back to having some fun.
Oh, I didn't know she was just downstairs. Oh yeah, she's downstairs. But it was like I didn't know how long we were gonna be trying to come off of because